From concept to care, from innovation to impact, this is InnoPack Pharma Mumbai, where the future of pharma packaging takes shape.
Pharma market has been doing a very well job in terms of getting the right audience on place. I know it's always good to be back with industry, connecting at a common forum.
It's been great footfall, very busy, and a lot of engagement with a lot of new people.
It's always a big get-together in the market, and you see the same colleagues and also competitors again and again. It's a really great opportunity to exchange with them.
This show was very innovative and fruitful.
Exciting, very successful.
It's impactful.
Let's connect.